Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the August 5th edition of the Tucson Mortgage Weekly. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you all had a very good Friday, a happy Easter, and a continuing observance of Passover. So I wish you all the best, and thanks a lot for tuning in. Okay, what's going on? All right, lots going on, and not all of it is good. First of all, last week what happened? As you may recall, on Wednesday the 31st, the Fed's program to buy mortgage-backed securities ended, and we saw rates go up, immediately, starting on Thursday, April 1st. We already saw increases. In fact, as of the moment right now, the mortgage-backed securities are down something on the order of 100 basis points since the program ceased, and that equates to at least 0.25% increase in rates. So it's noticeable, definitely noticeable. If you have not been watching rates in the past week, you're going to be surprised with what you see today. Second of all, the jobs report came out on Friday, but because the markets were closed in observance of Good Friday, there was a very muted response. It was actually, quote unquote, the best report that came out in 3 years, even though it had a lot of temporary jobs from the federal census, but nonetheless, it was still a very positive number. We're seeing now this week what's going on is, first of all, they're responding to the jobs report of last week. Also, there's a lot of concern because the Feds are releasing $82 billion in securities, in bonds this week, so the market's got to absorb that supply on top of everything else that's going on. And also, don't forget today, April 5th, the increase in FHA upfront mortgage insurance is in place, so everybody's paying a little more on those. Ultimately, the good news of the hour is that pending home sales were up as well. So bad news, good news, we're seeing some recovery a bit. How much of that is based upon the first time and move up home buyer? Well, that's the next plateau we're going to face, because as of the end of this month, ends that program. So you need to get contracts, ratified contracts in escrow before the end of the month. What's going on in the future? The trend is set. Rates are going up. They've already started. How much, how fast from here is anyone's guess. My feeling is it's got a lot more to go, and it could happen fairly quickly, although according to Rick Santelli, so far it's been pretty orderly, so we'll see what happens. Anyway, don't forget us, Todd Abelson, Tyler Ford at Sun Street Mortgage. Check out the blog site, TucsonMortgageBlog.com, for all the mortgage news. I wish you a great week, and make it a great day.